Hello, good morning. I am Dr.HEMA Bhojani. I am a senior physician consultant. I have used this Dr.N.K. Nature's product. There are two ranges of Dr.N.K. Nature products. One is skincare and one is hair care. Both the products I have personally tried and its results are amazing, excellent. So I would recommend all to use these products for their day-to-day life as it is chemical free, no harmful chemicals are there. So it's really good for the skin and hair. So this Dr. N.K. Nature products are really wonderful. So just recommend to use these products. Second, Dr. Nishat is a homeopathic uh, doctor, and her homeopathic medications are also really very good for the diseases like skin disorders, chronic back pain, arthritis. So all the long-term chronic disorders, the homeopathic medications of Dr. Nishat Kajalwala is also really very good. So personally, I will recommend Dr. N.K. Nature's products as well as the homeopathic medications of Dr. Nishat. Thank you very much. Bye.